It's a me, a BB hopper.
What's up, everybody? Nothing like a good day of airsoft with some friends. We're at PB USA today, which is a local paintball field that lets us airsofters share their fields with them. So thank you, PB USA, for hosting us. I'm Mario, and that over there is my brother, Luigi. But really, he is my brother. We all know airsoft is a dress-up sport for many of us, dressing up like our favorite special forces or military persons. So when my brother came into town, I knew we had to put on the old Mario and Luigi costumes to take the dress up to the next level. The thing I like about using a gas blowback rifle in airsoft is the realism and immersion you get. When the ammo runs out, the bolt locks back, and the reload process is that of the real steel.
Ready?
Let's go!
We are playing team deathmatch rounds, and the fields here are small enough that the refs will let us govern our own games and yell start to each other. Notice that I switch my rifle to my left shoulder. This is because I am peering around a left corner now, and it helps keep a low profile. This is a technique that my buddy Wade taught me, and I've been trying to get better at. It helps if you have a one-point sling, or no sling, to be able to switch shoulders mid-game. It's also easier to do this with a red dot instead of iron sights.
Hit. Good trade. Go, 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 there you go.
Using my gas blowback rifle today, and tried to record some good shots with a scope cam, but the camera doesn't like the recoil of this gun and won't function properly.
Yeah, I got your work buddy under the bus.
Yeah,
I
dude.
shot his foot.
Can confirm, was shot in the foot by Luigi.
Ready?
Let's go!
Today, we'll be honored to hear commentary from my friend Brandon, the Ranger Green Extraordinaire.
It's a me, the Ranger Green Extraordinary.
I decided to just run my pistol this game. The fun thing about running pistol is that you can run faster, you're a little more mobile, and you can peek around corners easier. Just checking to see if there were any vulnerable feet under the bus still. So I wear a cross-draw vest and Granny's couch camo, and Wade always makes fun of the outdated vest, but it's got pistol mags, rifle mag pouches that fit double M4, AK, and MP5 mags perfectly, shotgun shell holsters, etc. My reload time is also good enough for me. No reason to upgrade from the $40 vest.
shocked I didn't get my shot, but at least I was avenged of Mario.
Hit! Oh! Oh! That was awesome. Oh man, all 3 BBs like right in the head.
Oh, dude, tell me about that.
And dual pistols. Ready?
Dual pistols is a lot of fun because you see it in the movies. However, it's extremely hard to get both guns to aim at the same target. Maybe it's better to aim them at different directions. I don't know how Black Widow does it. Lots of practice, maybe?
Is it possible to learn this power?
Hey! Hey! Luigi! Luigi! Where are they at? It's a me, a Mario!
I got 2 of those.
Playing with the Evo today. My friend Brandon's been gracious enough to let me use it.
Brandon set me up with 0.4 gram BBs to use in his Evo. Unfortunately, they are gray and hard to see in the scope cam.
There's one back here and one in the middle.
I see him. I was waiting for him to pop out again. I got him.
Yep.
Tango down!
2 in the middle.
Hit! Hit!
Another clean pick on Mario. I shot him tons today, but he wouldn't show
Good
you
shot,
all
man.
those.
That's right, and it's my privilege as editor of the video.
Ah! Hit! Yeah. Hit! Nice!
I'm proud of that shot. Left shoulder, iron sights with a zoom camera in the way.
Hit! Nice trade. I got you, Luigi. Hit! Hit!
Mamma mia!
Hey Mario, how you know when you out?
I got hit.
Oh, so you just be honest?
Yep.
This guy was trying to grasp the concept of calling your out in Airsoft. Unlike paintball, where everyone knows you're hit because of the paint splat, Airsoft is played by the honor system.
Mamma mia!
You got me in the head again.
I hope you all enjoyed today's episode of Airsofting. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.